Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, language translation, and learning from experience. It uses various techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to achieve this goal. Artificial intelligence is being used in various industries today, from healthcare to finance, to automate routine tasks and improve efficiency. One of the most exciting developments in the field of artificial intelligence is the rapid growth of voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These voice assistants use natural language processing to understand and respond to human speech. Another exciting development is the use of deep learning algorithms in computer vision to recognize and analyze images and videos. This technology is being used in fields such as surveillance, self-driving cars, and facial recognition. Overall, artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting applications of artificial intelligence in the years to come. Like, follow, share, love you.